Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a car that bridges generations, blending nostalgia with futuristic sensibilities. The 2025 Citroën 2CV. Yes, the legendary 2CV has been reborn, and it's no longer just a relic from post-war France. This is a bold reinterpretation that dares to keep its soul intact while bringing modern innovation into the spotlight. From the very first glance, the 2025 Citroën 2CV captures your attention. The front of the car is a respectful nod to the original design. Round, expressive LED headlights sit within sculpted fenders that mimic the classic model's iconic bug eyes. But look closer, and you'll see how Citroën has evolved the look with sleek DRLs. An aerodynamic front grille, with subtle chevron branding, and a lower bumper that now includes active air vents for improved efficiency. The simplicity remains. No aggressive angles or exaggerated flourishes. Just a soft, approachable design that honors its roots while staying thoroughly modern. Moving to the side, the silhouette is unmistakably 2CV. The classic arched roofline is preserved, but the materials are now high-strength aluminum and lightweight composite panels. The exposed rivet aesthetic has been toned down for a cleaner look, and the signature removable canvas roof is back, but this time it's electrically retractable. Wheel arches remain prominent, wrapping around 17-inch retro-styled alloy wheels that perfectly blend vintage charm with modern traction needs. The minimal overhangs and short wheelbase give it a tight, city-friendly posture, ideal for urban dwellers or countryside adventurers alike. At the rear, Citroën has kept things charmingly humble. The taillights are now slim LED clusters that echo the roundness of the front, and the hatch opens up to reveal a surprisingly practical boot space, thanks to a low load lip and fold-flat rear seats. A small rear spoiler integrated into the roofline adds a subtle touch of modern flair, without taking away from the car's personality. There's no aggressive chrome or faux exhaust trims here. Just functional, stylish simplicity. Step inside the cabin, and you'll find a blend of rustic familiarity and futuristic minimalism. The dashboard is delightfully simple, with a horizontal layout made from recycled materials and soft-touch textiles. The digital instrument cluster is tucked neatly behind a two-spoke steering wheel, reminiscent of the original, but now featuring haptic feedback and voice controls. The center console is occupied by a floating 10-inch infotainment screen running Citroën's latest UI, which includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air update capability. The seats are where Citroën's design really shines. Using memory foam and recycled fabric, they manage to be both ergonomically sound and wonderfully plush, perfect for long journeys. The front seats are heated and ventilated, and despite its compact dimensions, rear passengers have decent legrooms and large windows that make the cabin feel airy. The canvas roof adds to this sense of openness when retracted, creating a near-convertible experience that's perfect for breezy Sunday drives. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, lies the 2CV's new beating heart. It's fully electric. The base model comes with a 45 kilowatt battery pack, delivering up to 200 miles of range, while the extended range version bumps that up to 280 miles with a 60 kilowatt battery. Power output is modest, around 100 horsepower, but that's more than enough for a vehicle that weighs just over 2,600 pounds. Torque delivery is instant, and the 2CV can zip from 0 to 60 in around 9 seconds. Far from a sports car, but a world apart from the 29 horsepower of its ancestor. Handling is a pleasant surprise, thanks to its low center of gravity and revamped suspension. The 2CV feels planted and comfortable, especially on rough roads. It's not sporty, but it's agile, and the regenerative braking system feels natural. You get 3 drive modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport, with Eco mode being ideal for urban commutes, and Sport giving a slightly sharper throttle response for highway merging or brisk driving. Now let's talk numbers. The starting price for the 2025 Citroën 2CV is around $24,000 for the base trim, making it one of the most affordable EVs on the market. The extended range model with additional tech features and the premium interior package comes in just under $30,000. It's competitively priced, especially considering the unique design, eco-credentials, and the nostalgia it brings to the table. So who is this car for? It's perfect for those who want something different. A car with personality. It's not trying to be another hyper-modern EV that blends into the background. It stands out without being loud. It's ideal for daily drivers who appreciate sustainability, simplicity, and style. However, if you're looking for something with massive power or ultra-luxury features, the 2CV might not scratch that itch. It's a car that's more about joy than performance, more about character than carbon fiber alley. In all, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is more than just a reboot. It's a respectful, innovative, and charming return of a beloved icon, reimagined for today's roads and tomorrow's cities. It may not be for everyone, but those who get it will love it. Thanks for watching this review. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more car content, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on the new 2CV. Would you drive one? Or is it just a piece of rolling nostalgia? We'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next review.